Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious Caesar salad. First, let's create the star of the show, the dressing. You will need 1 egg yolk, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, and 1 teaspoon of anchovy paste. Whisk these together vigorously until they form a smooth, creamy emulsion. Then, incorporate 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. This rich, tangy base is crucial for an authentic flavor. Next, let's prepare those irresistible croutons. Take day-old bread and cut it into 1-inch cubes. Toss these cubes with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 minced garlic cloves, and a pinch of salt. Spread them on a baking sheet and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes until they are golden and crunchy. While they cool, wash and thoroughly dry your crisp romaine lettuce leaves, ensuring no excess water remains. Now it's time to bring everything together. Take your perfectly dried romaine lettuce and gently tear or chop it into bite-sized pieces. Place the lettuce in a large bowl. Drizzle a generous amount of your freshly made Caesar dressing over the greens. Add your golden, crispy croutons. Finally, grate about 1/2 cup of fresh parmesan cheese directly over the salad, ensuring a rich, savory layer. For the grand finale, gently toss all the ingredients together. Make sure every piece of romaine, every crouton, and every bit of parmesan is beautifully coated in that delicious dressing. Taste and adjust the seasoning with a little more salt or freshly ground black pepper if needed. Serve your magnificent Caesar salad immediately on chilled plates to maintain its crispness. For a heartier meal, consider adding some grilled chicken or shrimp. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.